If you want to cancel your OneDrive subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account website and log in using the credentials associated with your OneDrive subscription. Step 2. Access services and subscriptions. Once logged in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section. This area lists all your Microsoft subscriptions, including OneDrive. Step 3. Locate your OneDrive subscription. Find your OneDrive subscription in the list. You should see details about your plan, including the renewal date and payment information. Step 4. Select Manage and Cancel. Click on the Manage link next to your OneDrive subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you will receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Microsoft support.